Hi everyone, you're watching Twin Birds. Today I'll show you how to prepare guacamole. For this recipe we will need 1 ripe avocado, 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, 1 or 2 cloves garlic, half tablespoon milk, half green chili or taste as per taste, de-seeded, and half lemon. Now we can remove the pulp and set it aside. Now we can chop onion and finely chop onion. And set it aside. Now de-seed the tomato and remove the pulp. And use the flesh part for this recipe. Finally chop the tomatoes. I am using a small piece of green chili. You can add chili as per your taste. Finally chop the green chilies. Finally chop the garlic. Add the minced garlic. Now squeeze half lemon or as per your taste. Add some salt. Now add the avocado. And mash it well. We usually use a glass tumbler to mash it well. Add a teaspoon of milk to combine all the ingredients well. I've added a teaspoon of coriander leaves and mixed it thoroughly, and can be had with tostadas and quesadillas and tacos. Guacamole is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching.